I'm just trying to figure out how everything got that far off in the front. So we just gonna respray this one. And I'm seeing that now. Okay. We'll get it right. We're gonna get it right. So now I got the bump off. I mean, it took me forever to get the bump off because when Joe put this car together, and obviously this video, and you had some of the wrong goddamn bolts in the bumper, and it took a minute to get them out because they was different sizes. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on with these headlights, and then I don't know, man. Like it's weird because these new parts and both headlights sitting in the wrong place. So we gonna try to figure out, and then I don't know, man. We'll put you back on. So I got a little problem here. I got the lights to get a little bit better, but it's either two problems being wrecked on the driver's side. So I'm gonna have to go get the horn for this, drill these out, and tack them back in. But the lights really don't fit that well inside. So they either the wrong lights or something is missing. I didn't put this car together, so I don't know what was damaged, what was what. So I'm gonna have to go to the salvage yard and look at another vehicle to see if something is missing and grab that piece right there. So I'm gonna go do that. Before I leave, I'm gonna wipe a couple of these spots that I need to be dry, so when they come back I can just sand them down and prime them today, come back later on, and then just, sand the car down and get it ready for paint, so I can paint it at least by Thursday. So yeah, that's where we at. We're gonna take this piece off and we'll go to the salvage yard. Well, we're gonna go to the salvage yard, then we'll take the piece off, because they ain't got it. Then we'll have to make do with what we got. But yeah. So this is a 2015 Dodge Dart. One I had sprayed one time before. It used to be like a purplish blue looking color. So it got wrecked, and had to put the front back on it. So I mean, it look okay, but it don't, to me, it don't look that great. Hopefully he like it, because if he don't like it, then I don't know what we gonna do. But anyway, it's just it's just a little flip. Nothing really special. I don't really like. I had some of this, and I thought I liked the color when I seen it on the chip, but I don't like it on this car. It just don't. I don't know. He might. I mean, it's his car. He picked it, but I don't know. Just showing you what it is. See if hopefully he like it. Because if he don't, we're gonna have a serious problem. I don't know. He say he like it. I mean, it's hitting, but it's way different color change, then like that's a big color change. You went from purplish blue to this color. So I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm just trying to see. Make sure the lights is hooked up. Lights hooked up. All right. Lights is hooked up. I'm trying to see how it look when it's moving. Cause still, I don't really like it. Honestly, I don't. But we'll see. Boy, he can't drive either. I ain't lying, he can't drive. Let's see, screen. Oh yeah, he changing. Right now. Oh, he changing. I don't really like it though.